Hello everyone, and welcome to our quick tutorial on how to use folders in Edmodo for EDUC 510. So when you log into Edmodo, you'll see that there is always, at the very top, there is going to be a EDUC. It'll tell you exactly what page you're on. A couple things about it is it's important that you recognize that on the left-hand side, you'll see that you have posts. And on posts, that just means your main wall, folders, and then members. And right now, 10 of you have joined our site. So as more of you come in, this number will go up. All right? I believe we have about 23 students, by the way. So as we're going here, I want you to see that over time, you're going to see on the left-hand side of the screen, small groups. Now, you may not see this at first because I have to add you as an instructor. When I see that you're a member, I will simply go to each small group and say add all members, and you'll see week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, and then you'll see week 7 and 8 as well. So that's really important because when you click on folders, what you will see are the specific folders related to our week, or not even week 1, but this page right here called the EDUC 510 page. So that includes the following. When you click on that, you will click there. I have to use screenshots. I'm using Explain Everything, and in this app, when you use the live websites, it's very clunky, so I'm just using screenshots. But what I did there, if you imagine that I would have clicked on folders, it would have brought me here, and you'd see syllabus, APA source helps, and brain rules. So all of these contain resources for the class, and right now again we're in the main page. So these folders will be different every time you click on one of these small groups for each week. But for the first week, for our intro week, this is kind of the umbrella, if you will. Overall, you can go back to this at any time and click in there and look at the resources. Now, when we go to week 1, what you'll see in the week, so by now what you would have done is you would have clicked week 1, and then you would have clicked folders, and in folders you would see week 1 resources. In week 1 resources, of course, those will be any resources related to that which we're doing that week. So this week in particular, for the first week, you'll see there's a PDF of the complete in there if you'd like it. So that's how you access folders. You're going to want to get to those regularly. The big thing is that people get confused if they're like, where are the posts? I don't see it. And if you realize, oh, I'm on the week 1 post, what you might need to do is go back and make sure you are clicked on this link right here, EDUC 510. Okay, so that is the folders themselves. Now what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you how do you turn assignments in. Now, from week to week, the assignments are different. What you'll do is when you go there, you will make sure that, okay, this is week 1, so you're going to want to click on week 1 here. When you click on week 1, you'll see the assignment, and it will always say turn in. When you finish turning it in, by the way, it will say turned in already. So if you see this and it says turn in, that means that you have not turned it in yet. So once you read the context, what you're going to do is you're going to follow the directions here, and what I always do is I put a PDF folder here. If the text here is too small and you don't like reading it, hurt your eyes, just go here and you can download this, you can print it, you can make the text larger, whatever you'd like to do. You can preview it, you can download it, or you can also do what's called adding it to your backpack. And in Edmodo, it gives you a backpack. It's basically file storage. If you click on that, it just stores everything there. So some people use it, some people don't. That's really up to you. Now, once you click Turn In, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And here is the assignment at first. It'll say complete 1-1. It'll give you the due date here. Let me turn on my highlighter. So due date, complete 1-1. It'll say not turned in. And then here's the prompt. So if you read through the whole thing, It'll tell you, give you some background. It'll give you some ideas on what you'll be doing, basically all the instructions for how do I do this each week. Then if you scroll down to the bottom, it looks like this, right? So here's my student. His name is Gob Eakins. And Gob, this is basically you at this point, right? This would be your name. It'll say not turned in. This is the bottom of the assignment here, so I scrolled down to here. And then you can type your response, and many weeks I'll tell you just type your response here. You should be able to type everything. What I recommend you do, however, so you keep data, is type it in a Word doc first, right? If you do that first, then you'll have a copy of it. Data fails, websites fail, so this is your backup. So you can type it, and then you can just copy-paste, right? And then if you copy-paste, you're good to go. Oh, pardon my horrible cursive right there. So in the meantime, once you're finished with that, you can simply click turn in assignment, and you're good to go. Right, so I'm going to click here, turn in assignment is right here, and then it will automatically upload it. Now you can also save what you did in your backpack. You can add a link if there's a resource that you like, and sometimes I'll ask you to upload a document, in which case you will see that you can simply click on the document here. All right, and then you can attach a Word document if you like. And I think in week 2, in fact I know in week 2, instead of typing your response here, you'll be attaching it as a PDF document here. All right, then you can click turn in. You can add a comment if you like. Sometimes you'll just type, here's my assignment, and it's as simple as that. Add your comment. It's very simple, and then you'll click turn in. And that is pretty much it for turning in assignments and utilizing folders. Thanks very much.